Assalamu alaikum. Hi Amina, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Sustainer. So today actually we're gonna make a very practical conversation video about our best friend. So are you ready, Amina?
Yes, sir.
So Amina, tell me, do you have best friends?
Yes, I have best friend.
What's your best friend's name?
My best friend's name is Roha.
Okay, so where does she live?
She lives in Karnataka.
What does she do?
She is a student.
Okay, why do you like her, Amina?
I like her because she is smart, honest, kind, and
And very helpful, right?
helpful.
Okay, thank you so much. Next, tell me that what do you do together?
We play together, we study together,
Yes.
and we smiling a lot together.
Wow, that's really fantastic. So, do you really love your best friend?
Yes, I
Okay,
love her
thanks so
best.
much. So, do you happy to have a best friend like her?
Yes.
Okay, so Amina is very happy to have a best friend like her. So we also need some best friend or good friend or quality friend in our life, because friends sometimes can guide us, can help us in our difficult situation, in our complicated situation. So make friend, be happy, and be the best version of yourself. Thank you.
Bye bye.